This is a quick video showing you how to take care of the surfaces of your plastic camera. If you've purchased from me, I more than likely used carbon fiber materials to print it. So I'm going to show you one trick that we use in particular on the maker side of things to help keep things looking nice and fresh. So as you use these parts, you're going to notice that your fingernails or the straps or your bag or whatever is going to start leaving marks on it, right? Like so. Over time, you're gonna have stuff like that, right? You'll get blemishes from just grabbing it. You know, it's gonna grab on something like so, right? It's gonna scuff it up. You know, try to wipe it off, and it's not gonna work because you've actually impacted the surface of the part. I'll do a few deeper ones back here where this is a non-visible side. All right, so this is simulating just bad nail damage. I let my nails grow because I need them for making stuff to be able to grab things and pick apart plastic. Here, what we want to do is utilize a torch. I recommend a torch over a lighter, only because a lighter, I think you'll get too close and the flame might burn other parts of it. This little torch, or any kind of little torch, allows you to be more focused and quick because you just don't want to do little blips. You don't want to have a persistent flame. Sometimes you can do that once you get the hang of it, but I prefer doing like quick bursts. So I'll show you what that's like. So we'll start off with this one here. Let me get it right into the light so you can see some of the damage that I created on there. All right, so we're gonna hold it there, and I'm gonna do some quick passes. And see, back to pretty much brand new, right? And the good thing about this carbon fiber material is that it's not prone to melt very easily off of just quick flame contact like that. So it's much less to worry about. And one of the other reasons why I really like working with this material. With any other type of material, if you buy a plastic 3D printed camera or item from somebody else, if they're using that shinier material, the same concept applies, just be a lot quicker and then stay a little further away, because that you can create a noticeable like hot spot or glossy spot on that sort of material, but not on this one you see there. So we'll start off here with this one, that area that I really messed up in the back. Same process here. It might take a little bit more because I went harder. And so this one I did go deeper. So just to show that you're not going to be able to get rid of every old thing, but very hard to tell. Now I'll look at the camera in a moment, but right now in my naked eye, I can barely tell that this one over here, only because I know where to look for it. But if I looked away, put this down and then bring it back up, you know, I can't tell where the damaged surface was. Right, so angle it so you can see the glare there. Give it a wipe down. Yeah, very cool. Now let's do this side. Move my hand out of the line of fire there. Oh, I'm out of fuel. But yeah, that's how you bring things that are 3D printed in carbon fiber back to fresh, back to brand new. If you want to keep them looking nice, want to take a photo of it for the gram, just bring out your torch and blast it really quickly and take your photo. Hope that helps. Enjoy your camera.